fittings work great. I will pay for Taco Bell. Okay, so I got my hose, just made this guy. Pretty cool, I really like it. These PTFE fittings are very nice.
It's really cool. It's just very tight, if you can't tell.
So I'm attaching this hose to that port on the power steering rack.
Sweet. That done. I smashed my thumb very hard.
Okay, so you can see how it's hitting right there, and then I can turn it a little bit and it won't be hitting that bolt, but it hits it back there. So it needs to be like somewhere right in here
For a perfect spot for it to not hit, which makes it like down at that angle. And if you remember, those are getting piped down and out the side via those. They're very shiny. Gotta get the full vlogger arm extension. Let me show you what's going on here. It's still a rotary. Upper, lower, or primary fuel rail, secondary fuel rail, secondary injectors, primary injectors, all installed. So these are 850cc injector dynamics injectors. These are 1000cc ID injectors. I did a parallel rail, so fuel supply comes from here, splits to the two, goes equally to both rails, and then goes both into my fuel pressure regulator, which goes into the return line and back to the fuel tank or cell. Ugh. Every single night where I don't have something that's like the only time I can do this in my entire life, I'm here until about now, and then I go home. But tonight, I mean, I'm gonna probably be out here for like 3 more hours or so. I do have the rest of my connectors to finish my fuel stuff. That kind of sounds fun. Okay, let's do that. Okay, fuel system stuff. So, this is what's going on. We're gonna do fuel system stuff. I hope everyone's night went well and you didn't dream about your rotaries not starting, like I did.